Now the next question is, write structural formulae for the following names and also write the correct IUPAC name for the structures. Now let us quickly proceed ahead. Now the first one is question number A. The given question is 5-ethyl 3-methyl heptane. Okay. Now, firstly, we will write down the structural formula. And from the structural formula, again, we are going to check whether the given IUPAC name is correct. Okay. Now, hept means again, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Quickly, I'm going to number it. This is the first carbon atom. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now on the fifth position, we have methyl group. So this is C2H5. And on the third position, ethyl group. Clear? And then finally, I'm going to balance it with hydrogen. Now I'll just erase out the position because you should not get confused between the position and the number of hydrogen. Finally, I'm going to balance CH3. This is CH2. This is CH. Here it is CH, CH, CH2 and CH3. Okay. Now let us quickly have a look on the naming. Now the naming is from left hand side. If I look into, the ethyl group is getting the fifth position and the methyl group is getting the third position. Clear? Now if I look into from right to left, ethyl group is getting the third position and methyl is getting the fifth position. So always remember the carbon atom, more the number of carbon atom. At the same time, ethyl, it comes alphabetically first. So more priority should be given to ethyl. And in chemistry, whatever is given more priority, definitely that should be given the lowest numbering. So instead of giving ethyl the fifth position, I am going to give it the third position. So from which side we are going to start numbering? I am going to number it from right to left. Okay, so this is 1, second carbon, third carbon, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh. So what is the correct naming? Here the naming becomes, this is on the third position, I have ethyl. Then on the fifth position, methyl. And then lastly, it is heptane. Clear? So this is how we are going to write down the correct IUPAC name following all the rules. And everything related to the rules I have already uploaded in my detailed lecture. Kindly watch all the lectures. Now let us proceed ahead with question number B. Okay, this was question number A. Now let us proceed with question number B. Now question number B, the question is 2, 4, 5 trimethyl hexane. Now again here the similar type we are going to do. Very first thing is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. On the second position we have methyl, fourth position methyl and fifth position methyl. Finally, I'm going to balance it with hydrogen. So I'll just use different color. Here it is CH3, CH, CH2. This is CH, CH and CH3. Clear? Talking about now the naming. If I go from left and right hand side, left to right, okay, left to right, the position I'm getting is, the position is 2, then 4 and 5. But if I go from right to left, if I number it from right to left, the position I'm getting is 2, 3 and 5. So out of these two, definitely the one which is lower, I'm going to select that position. And which is the lowest one? This one, 2, 3, 5. Okay, so I'm going to select from right to left. So how am I going to number it? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 carbon. Okay, so the correct name, it should be, the correct name, I'll write down here, 2, 3, 5 trimethyl hexane. Okay, it is trimethyl hexane. Now let us proceed ahead with the question number C. Now question number C, 2 comma 2 comma 3 trimethyl, and then it is pentane 4 and ol. Okay, pentane 4 and ol. Now let us write down the answer. Here it is pent. So quickly I'm going to write down 5 carbon atoms. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now on the second position and the third position, we have a methyl group. So CH3, sorry, on the second position, 2 times it is CH3. Okay, and on the third position, we have a methyl group. Clear? So this is CH3, CH, CH2, and then fourth position, we have OL. So on the fourth position, I'm going to put OL means OH group. So this is OH. Clear? And finally, this is CH3. So this is how we are going to write down the structural formula. Now, let us quickly have a look on the IUPAC name. What should be the correct IUPAC name in this case? Over here, again, if I go from left to right, the position I'm getting is 2, 2 and 3. Okay, 2, 2 and 3. And then the OL group, that is the OH group, I'm getting it on fourth position. And it is very basic rule that whichever functional group is present, it should be given the lowest numbering. Okay, the functional group should be given more priority than the alkyl group. Okay, already I have explained in the rules. So kindly watch all the lectures. Now over here, it should be what? Not left to right. I'm going towards, I'm going from right to left. So this is 1, 2. This is the third carbon, fourth carbon and fifth. So the numbering, the correct numbering it should be. On the second position, we have a OH group, that is 2O. But we have 3 methyl group and the position is 3, 4, 4 trimethyl. And then finally we have is, okay, finally we have is pentane 2-ol. Okay, pentane 2-ol. So this is everything related to question number D. I hope you have understood everything, whatever I have explained you. Still, if you have any difficulty, kindly write down in the comment box. Thank you.